I can't hear you.
Oh, my bad, guys. So month over month, let me start all over again. I do sincerely apologize. I forgot that was on mute. So, what I was saying here basically is that the bullish levels are there, and is done a little differently only because the premiums are outside of where the market expected it to be because of the massive surprise with the overall inflation report. Okay, this was a surprise, and the market is going to be trending upwards today because of we got the level 2 bullish on the weekly premium. It hit that specific point already. Okay, so very important to know that. I will give the bearish levels just in case if we see the market move lower, but pretty much you can expect the market to trend upwards with 44.75 possibly being the mini resistance that we're going to be seeing as well. Okay. Now, a couple of other things you see here that the inflation report not only month over month is down, but is down year over year. Okay, signaling that things are starting to cool down and that the market is moving slower here. Okay, I wish I kept my 44.50 calls because if I did, they're up nice. But regardless, we have all call position 1, 2, 3, 4 over 4 positions in the market that are all calls, and manage account guys because they're going to be up nicely. And not only that, huge shout out to everyone in the room that got nice plays as well, including Jax, Chico, and whatnot. Okay, so yesterday you guys did very well, and I'll go over each of the details over here. Okay, so Jax had both Tesla and Broadcom, as well as other plays that I'm holding right now. Okay, so now that we know where the market trend is, where the news is, how far can the market go is the main question, and what you should do if you guys are holding calls. Okay, so that's going to be the main focus for today. So far, we do know that SPX is up, and our estimated weekly high range is at 44.70. Okay, pretty much we are trailing that area right now. Okay, we see that the high is at 44.70. That's actually where SPX stopped here, okay? At 44.70. So if you guys are looking to sell right off at open, don't be afraid to sell. Make your profits, make your day, and roll up if you need to, okay? So I'm definitely going to be looking into doing that because our estimated weekly high is at 44.70. We're looking to see a bullish breakout can go to 44.70, and it could possibly see 44.20, 44.30 today. If you guys look at the SPX 44.30 calls, they're pretty actually, I don't know if that's the correct price, but 44.20 calls are going to be in play. So 45.20 calls is going to be in play today because of the huge CPI report. So we're looking at a nice rally here. SPXs are trailing around this 44.65, 44.70 area currently right now. Okay, so that's where I see SPX going for now. Now for Tesla, Tesla is up 4%. Congratulations to Jax who got the 430s and swung those. Now that is above level 226, we could possibly see 240 hit on Tesla here, and the 240 calls are probably going to be opening around $1 to $2. So just keep that in mind. The premiums are going to start to get very expensive on the calls because of this bullish, insane move that we see SPX witnessing today. NVIDIA, good thing we got back in those earning calls because now we are in the money into earnings. Okay, massive, guys. This is huge, and we're likely to see a massive move on those calls. They're probably going to be at $30. Okay, so just keep that in mind. That's one play I'm probably holding for today because if it breaks above 500, 517, 532, don't be surprised to see NVIDIA at 540 as well. Okay, so our calls are in the money, and we have over I think 2 weeks, or is it next week? I'm sure. Let me see. Okay, so it looks like, yeah, the 24th is next week on NVIDIA, and we have 500 call with an extra week, and we're in the money. Okay, so those calls are definitely going to be a double plus right off the bat. You're looking at Meta here. Boom. Another call that's also in the close to the money. We got the 340 calls. They're gonna explode as well. So manage account on that. I'll probably hold this as well because we know that 336 level 2 bullish confirms the trend. Estimated weekly high at 340. So likely to see 340. I will take profits at around 340 on this particular stock. So let's see how it goes. Now LRCX, I like this as well too. Likely to see 705 today. Okay. If it breaks through 705, 720s. I like the 720 calls as a lotto right off the bat at open, and we'll definitely play that. Okay. Snow, we got calls on this as well. 170s at 40 cents, guys. These can open at $3 today. Okay. So massive winner on this. Massive gains on SPX. Okay, now we're at 44.70. SPX wants to explode today. So awesome day so far. Jack's got Broadcom's 370 calls. Okay. His calls are gonna massively explode too if you followed him on that. And possible to see 990 on Broadcom here as well. Eli Lilly. This thing doesn't move pre-market, but I'm gonna still see this if we can get that 629. Okay, I had no losses this week, so and we had money that we made off BA and SPX yesterday. So we're up nicely. We're doing amazing, and we're about to see SPX really want to go here. Okay, I would be so surprised to see even a massive sell-off. Is not going to happen. I don't think so. Sometimes they do sell the news, but I don't think so, because this is setting up to be a Christmas rally where we could probably see SPX go back to the highs. So 44.60. Okay. Now, if you're going to be crazy and you want to take SPX a longer duration play, if you look at let's just say December calls, you could probably get SPX 4,600 calls right now. They're going for 4650s for December 8th are going for $5. Okay, so that may work, but there may be a lot of chops. So I'm not interested in playing SPX long term, but definitely this market is set up for a rally, and stay tuned for that, because I hope you guys have some calls. I have 0 puts. Okay, so that's all I got for you guys today. Let's enjoy the fruits of our labor, and let's get that money. See you guys in the channel.